Hey guys, it's Crafts by Jazzy. This is another mental health video. I wanted to let y'all know, uh, just stay tuned because I'm going to be sending out more videos on Mondays for mental health. And for this mental health, I wanted you guys to know a little bit about me. I'm not going to go into much detail, but I have suffered from some anxiety and fear issues, but I'm working on different techniques to, better my mental health because it's not good to be in that state of mind. So, some of the things I've done are like self affirmations, just taking Zen time for yourself, a little bit of meditation, podcasts that I've done, and just really trying to get down to the nitty gritty of what may be triggering it or causing it. And it's really been helping, guys. So, guys, as I'm sitting out here today, I was just thinking, in the past, I thought I've said it in one of my videos, but just in case I didn't, my mom died roughly about a year ago, and she had her own issues to work out. She had some alcohol issues and other issues. And growing up, mentally, some of it has affected me, and I realized that some of my past has triggered my behaviors that I have now. So I've been working on, obviously that's why I do my mental health Mondays, is trying to regulate my mental health. One of my biggest things as I'm sitting out here, although I miss her dearly, I realized that I got closure when she kind of left. And I know that's weird to say because a lot of people are like, oh man, like she's gone, things like that. But I got this like almost like broke the barriers type of feeling. And some might not feel that way, but for me, that's what I got. And I realized, it is what it is. She's gone now. We can't hold on to the past, guys. We cannot hold on to the past of others and what they have done to us. We have to move on and, better ourselves. And that way we can be better moms, better wives, all the above. So, that's why I'm starting this mental health Monday thing, so you guys can see some of the tips I take to fix my mental health. And basically, that's why I'm doing these little quick videos. Some of them might be a little long, some might be short. So stay tuned to my mental health Mondays, so that way you guys can see more, and maybe this will help you guys. If it does, put it in a comment below, and thank you for watching. Hey y'all, it's Crafts by Jazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.